Фул, конечно же, я вам не дам.
It's me, man. It's me. Super straight down. That's my fucking new thing.
I mean, it's terrific, right?
О, да-да-да.
Bro, you fucking lucky piece of shit. Perfect. Ah, for fuck's sake!
На!
Ты сдохнуть хочешь, тварь?
Он не кидает ебаный, блядь!
Наебала тебе пишу, дрочу, наебала тебе пишу, дрочу, наебала тебе пишу, дрочу, наебала тебе пишу.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Сука.
No!
You okay? I hope not. Are you running?
Killing spree. Headshot.
And another one.
Humiliation.
Are you mad? Cause I'm not.
He's going to be pushing into the bomb site. The bomb is on his back. What a frag there coming in from Rain. Rain, he's going to get another one.
Another one.
FBK goes down. He's created a one-on-one. Apex though. Oh my goodness.
2v2, Kashana with the info onto Rain, but can't win the 1v1. Yeah, but the quick headshot from Rain at distance.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.
Gracious me, Rain is an absolute monster.
Headshot.
Wow. Rain is gonna get the kingdom of your
Rain wins.
Ты сдохнуть хочешь, тварь?
Impressive.
King win? No shot, my friend.
Doesn't even matter. Rain, quad kill.
Oh, fuck.
Никто не пришел на фан-встречу. Ох, блядь, смешная хуйня. КС гейская хуйня. Конечно, гейская хуйня. А ты что, спорил? Так, короче, нам надо еще сегодня загрузить, блядь, статистику по лайкам в 11 часов. Посмотри, Крип, Лоджик, Маршмеллоу.